This is Nova 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Bafana Bafana, not Namibia, not. My brother, what's your name? Where do you come from?
My name is Foster Makubele. I'm coming from Deep Sloot and Riverside.
Yeah. And then, how do you feel about today's game?
Look, win or no win, this is a South African team.
Yeah.
It must win. There's no such thing we say maybe we should give a chance to anyone. We need a win as South Africans.
Yeah.
So Hugo, what's the
Hugo Bruce.
Hugo Bruce, he must know that South African team, when it plays at South Africa, it should win.
Yeah.
That's
When
what
they
we
played
want.
home, yes, exactly.
Yes. When they
And then
play
they also need to score goals also. Yeah.
When they play home, we need a win.
Yeah.
There's no such thing, hey, I'm resting players, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. We want a win.
Yeah.
That's all.
So do you think what he did with Abo Pesita and Abo Pass and all that, he wasn't supposed to do? They were supposed to play them from the beginning.
Baba, the motivation of the country comes from the national team. That's one thing I can say. You don't rest players like those. In a game like this, we need a high score. That high score can motivate the whole South Africa. Yes.
But then, who was your man of the match today?
Look, I can give it to Saleng.
Saleng played well.
Yeah, he played well. He needs to make sure. That's the only thing I can say about him.
No, thank you very much, my brother. Hola.